Hello, students. I, Anjum Bharti Nirban, welcomes you to join the class of moral values. Okay, according to me, it is very important topic. It is very important subject. We should know about it. Okay, so before starting our chapter of moral values, I would like to tell you some important things related to moral values. Okay, so morals are formed out of person's value. And what are values? Values are the foundations of a person's ability to judge between right and wrong. Okay, we should know that what is right, what is wrong, whether the thing is correct or incorrect. Okay, so class, I have a question related to it. Is there really a standard moral code in society these days? Yes or no? Yes. While most people follow society's law, they also abide by certain social modes, which are governed by morals. Which morals While morals tend to be driven by personal beliefs and values, there are certainly some common morals that most people agreed on, and that such as always tell truth, do not destroy anyone's property, have courage, keep your promises, do not cheat, treat others as you want to be treated, do not judge, be dependable, be forgiving, take responsibility for your actions, have patience, be loyal, have respect for yourself and others, be tolerant of differences, have humility, and be generous. So all these things we must cap in our minds. So these are our moral values. We should know about all these things. Okay, class? So now without further delay, हम हमारा चैप्टर स्टार्ट करते हैं. ओके, चैप्टर नेम इज अ ब्यूटीफुल प्रेयर. ओके, दिस इज अ प्रेयर टेकन फ्रॉम रविंद्रनाथ Tagore's Gitanjali. Okay, it is a prayer to God to liberation from spiritual poverty and for strength to bear joys and sorrows with equanimity, to offer loving service to others, to stand up to the powerful and the proud, to support the poor, and always to surrender the God's will. So I hope you all got it. This poem written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, so let's get started the poem. This is my prayer to thee, my Lord. Strike, strike at the root of penury in my heart. Before explaining, I would like to tell you the word meanings of thee and penury. Meaning of thee means you. The meaning of thee means you, and penury means the state of being very poor. So here the Ravindranath Tagore talks of spiritual strength and richness. He does not talk of any material poverty. He does not want any spiritual weakness in his heart. He prays to God to drive away all spiritual weakness from his soul. He wants it to be removed from the very root of his heart. There should be no room for it in his life whatsoever. Now he is thinking about himself and praying to God. Next line, give me the strength lightly to bear my joys and sorrows. Give me the strength to make my love fruitful in service. Now here he again praying that he wants such a spiritual strength that will enable him to bear his joys and sorrow. Okay, without any sort of complaining. And he's thinking that that is why he wants God to strike and root of penury in his mind. That's why he is thinking. He prays for strength to bear his joys and sorrows easily with equanimity. Okay, now he's praying over here about his joys and sorrows. In the next para, give me the strength never to disown the poor or bend my knees before insolent mind. Now, in the very first paras or lines, he prayed himself. Now he is praying for the people. Okay. Now, Ravindranath Tagore wants to serve the people here. Okay, poor people. He wants to serve the poor people. He wants to be one with the poor. Disown means here, disown means rejection. Okay, he doesn't want to reject any poor person or people. Okay, so here he is thinking that, and he is praying that he wants to serve the poor. He does not want to disown them. Okay, he does not want to bow to the Insolent behavior of the rich. Here meaning of insolent is showing rude and arrogant behavior, lack of respect. Okay, कि वो कभी भी उनको rude behavior और arrogant नहीं दिखाना चाहता है like other people do. Okay, he only give them respect. He doesn't want to disrespect them. Okay, for whom? Poor family or poor people. Okay, next line is give me the strength to raise my mind high above daily trifles, and give me the strength to surrender my strength to thy will with love. So here trifle meaning is think of little value or importance. Okay, the meaning of trifle is think of little value or importance. So here the Ravindranath Tagore wants to say that he does not want to go to their strength. He does not want to be distributed by daily trifles of them. He wants to raise his mind above them. उसे इन ये जितने भी ट्रिफल्स हैं उनसे आगे बढ़कर निकलना है, पुअर्स की हेल्प करनी है. He wants to raise his mind above them. The poet wants to surrender himself. Now the poet Ravindranath Tagore surrendered himself completely to the will of God. कि वो चाहते हैं कि जैसा God की मर्जी है. Okay, he wants to surrender himself to the will of the God with all the love. He prays to God to give him strength for all these things. Now in last he is praying that God give me the strength for all the things. I tolerate all the things. I can easily able to work for the poor and for my goodness, for my joy and sorrow. So he's thinking, he's praying that God to give him strength for all these things. So here we have completed our poem. I hope this poem is clear to you all. So class, here are the word meanings of the chapter, a beautiful poem. Okay, a beautiful prayer. Okay class, for enrich your vocabulary. Okay, so I have mentioned over here Anjali by Ravindranath Tagore, and it is an extract of a beautiful poem is an extract of the Gitanjali. Okay, so the word meanings from the beautiful poems are D means you, thy means your. Next is penury. Penury means the state of being very poor. Disown means rejection. Insolent means to show rude and arrogant behavior, or we can say lack of respect. Next is trifle. Think of little value or importance. Liberation, freedom for limits on thought or behavior. Liberation means a kind of freedom from limits or thought on thoughts or behavior. Last one is equanimity. Equanimity means calmness, especially in different situation, means calmness and when especially in different situations. So these are the word meanings for enrich your vocabulary. Okay class, you need to note down all these word meanings in your notebook. Okay, till then stay safe, stay healthy, take care of yourself. Bye bye.